I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're on prompts 37 and 38. And 37 is flower, and I've got this pretty rose. And 38 is a form, like a paper form. And I've got this rubber stamp form here that I'm going to use. So be sure and check out Amy's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge to see what everyone else has made. It's really been a lot of fun, and it's really amazing to see what everyone comes up with. We all interpret these prompts so differently. So without further ado, let's get started. here they are. I was in an embossing mood today. I've got my flower, and I made a journaling card out of it, and I've got my form, which I stamped in the background and embossed, and added my 3 fellas there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel, The Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all.